How to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can boost speed of processor or CPU in your Windows. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with on how we can do it. Open up your control panel in your laptop and go to layers icons. After that, you'll be able to see power options. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be able to find your selected plans and your power plan here. So you're just gonna go to the change plan settings. After going there, you'll be able to find additional power settings. Just go there and wait for it to open. After opening up, you'll be able to processor power managers. Just click on it and expand it. After that, you can see minimum processor state. So if it is on any of the percentage, you're just going to change it to 0. Let me just change it to 0, the battery and plugged in. Same goes for the plugged in as well. Just change it to 0 first. After changing it to 0, you can see this maximum processor state. The maximum processor state, you're going to change it into 100%, both of them. After that, you may just apply. And after applying, click on OK. After that is done, open up your settings and this time go to system. After going to system, you're just gonna go to the storage option, and here you'll be able to find your storage settings, different settings here. So you're just gonna scroll down a bit until you're able to find optimized drives, and after that you'll be able to find all of your drives here. You're just gonna click on optimize and wait for it to be optimized first. After optimization is completed, just cross it out and open up your file manager and right click on it. After right clicking on it, you're just gonna head over to the properties. At the last, you can see that properties option. Just head over to the properties, and after going to your properties, wait for it to open first. After it is open, you'll be able to see this settings here. Just click on it and wait for it to load first. After it is loaded, you're just gonna go to this adjust for best appearance and tap on apply. Click on apply and click on OK, and cross it out and restart your device once, and that should probably do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.